I put on my backpack. I walk to school. I arrive at school. I open the door. I say good morning.
I sit at my desk. I take out my book. I open my notebook. I write my name. I listen to the teacher. I raise my hand. I answer the question. I read my book. I draw a picture. I sharpen my pencil. I do my homework.
I eat my lunch. I drink some water. I play with my friends. I go back to class. I say goodbye to my teacher. I leave the school. I walk home. I arrive home. Great job, everyone! You finished my school day with Hanna. Today, you learned 25 important school day phrases in English. Practice every day, even just a little bit, and your English will get better and better. Don't forget to watch the morning routine video too. I will see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.